My name is Harpreet Singh Olk and I am studying in the Bachelor of Information Technology course at the Federation University campus, ATMC campus, which is located in the Sydney, Australia. And today I am going to talk all 5 steps for the process solving for scenario B for video presentation of subject problem solving. In this contain all problem definition analysis the problem generating possible solutions, choose the best solution. First of all, definition of the problem. Nowadays juveniles are addicted to the mobile phones. Owing to this, they are becoming like a couch potato and they do not perform well in their study. And in order to cope up this problem, I am planning to make a electronic toy which attract their minds, and they can spend their times on that particular toy, because this contain plethora of the uh, facilities in the particular robot. For example, GPS tracker, the screen which is located in the center of the toy, and that and major important thing is that danger detective sensor, and the children also can learn so many rhymes, alphabetics and numerics, but it depend on their parents what kind of the data they store in the robots. And the one thing is that they can also, and one thing is that the parents can also monitor their children's what they are watching or listening on the toy. And the second thing is, second step is that analysis problem solving. I think that there are so many bad impact on the children's life, because they are using so much social sites and wasting their times on that sites. And another important factor is that they are also not perform well in their academic life, because nowadays children are prefer to communicate with their friends, and also surfing the restriction sites, and that is not good for them. And in order to cope up this problem, that is the best method to buy a toy for their children, which is at very affordable price. And the step 3, generating the possible solution. After brainstorming, and I came up with an idea that there are so many changes in the robot toy which will be beneficial for the children. First of all, I have to increase the battery capacity of the robots, and another thing is that I have to upgrade all the kinds of the programming which included in the toy. And thirdly, I will have to increase the data storage limit so that parents can store more data related to their study materials, so that they can easily enhance their academic level. And the step 4, analysis the solution. I have mentioned all the possible solutions to cope up this problem. Firstly, a robot toy would be beneficial for them, because the screen that will be placed on the robot will attract the children, with the help of which parent can start the activity. For example, play music, dancing, lightning, rhymes, etc. And secondly, children will perform to play with it instead of spending time on the mobile phone. That is beneficial for their health, because when the music will be playing, the robot also dancing with the children, and that is very attractive for the children. And step 5 is the most important appropriate solution is that the danger detective sensor, which is located in the backside of this robot. So unfortunately, when there is any mishappening, the sensor is very helpful for their parents, because it will work and alarming at a very high noise, so that parents can come and save their children for any mishappening, for example fire alarm. And there are so many other things which included in this. And with the combination of this, the screen recording I also place, so that children can learn so many things by watching and listening, and also recording their voice on that particular screen. And thank you. And this is my video presentation for the problem solving Itech 1101. Thank you.